Hello and welcome, my dear friends, to another episode of Cooking with Brightsider. And today we're going to make a delicious Ćevapčići bread. Yeah, I don't know if there's an actual name for this dish, but we'll see. And you're going to need the following. So you're going to need some salad, green, blue, red, whatever color salad. Then you're going to need a bell pepper, green, blue, red, yellow, whatever color, doesn't matter. Then you're going to need tomatoes, small tomatoes, whatever color your tomatoes are, they're fine. Then you're going to need an onion, green, blue, purple, whatever color your onions are, it doesn't matter too. And then you're going to need some cucumber. And of course, Ćevapčići. Yeah, I think they're all the same color, but you're going to need Ćevapčići. Then you're going to need this mixture, which is called ajvar. If you don't know what that is, look it up. And you're going to need a bread. Yeah, and then you're going to cut the bread so you can open it and then cook that stuff. Prepare a pan, put some sunflower oil into it. We need a new pan. That pan is ugly as hell. Turn on your stove to heat up your pan, of course. By the way, Ivar is not the name of a Viking, so no Vikings required for this recipe. Okay, now that your pan is ready, get your Ćevapčići and put them into the pan. This is how you put meat into a pan. Well done, well done. And then you wait for your Ćevapčići to cook. Now, slice your vegetables, your tomatoes, just like this. Slice your sliced cucumbers. What about the onions? You slice your onion. This is how you slice an onion. That's how it's done. Cooking, slicing, and toasting, I suppose. That's what's going to happen right here. What about the salad? Don't you slice the salad? Oh, what a sound. What the hell? Okay, you just toast it like this or what? You cat, what's wrong with you? You're good? Yeah, to toast your bread until it's flat. Don't forget your Ćevapčići. Turn them around. Roll them around or whatever you do. Look at all this fat. Look at all this bread. Look at all those vegetables. Now that your bread is toasted, you apply the ajvar. You open your bread, hopefully it's not breaking, and then you just put the ajvar inside of it. Can't see a thing here, but you know what's happening, right? Now your ajvar is inside of the bread. You may now check your Ćevapčići. Shouldn't be black though. And now you take your salad and you put the salad into the bread. Next, you put the other things into the bread. Come on. Spread the onions. Now the cucumbers and tomatoes. Amazing. There goes the bell pepper. Where's the rest of the bell pepper? Where is it? There it is. Now it's still not bell peppers, it's onions. There go the bell pepper pods. Another one. Pretty. And now you get your Ćevapčići out of the pan into the bread. There go the Ćevapčići. Ćevapčići in the bread. And this is your Ćevapčići bread. And there we have our finished Ćevapčići bread. It doesn't look perfect, I have to admit, but yeah, Ćevapčići bread. Just like they serve it in Kotor and stuff. Your authentic Ćevapčići bread. There it is. Bye bye.